This is a late model Weeden 14, and it should be ready to go here. Let's see. Yeah, there she goes. I haven't cleaned her up yet, really. I just replaced some gaskets. The sight glass was leaking, and it was leaking, and still there's a little bit around the whistle. I don't know if you can see that, but got a real nice handle on the whistle. It looks original. And got it running on 2 burners. The whistle works pretty well. Not a bad little engine. Came with a burner, an original burner, and I just need to kind of clean it up. It's still a little, I haven't, got a lot of the, still has dust and stuff on it actually, so I just got it running today. Looks like the cylinder head doesn't leak on it. Not much anyway. That's good. Oh, pretty neat little engine.